do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember.
There we go. We are live. Hi everyone, welcome to the stream. So, let's see. Let's get everything cleaned up. So, the goal today is going to be... We got multiple options. So, we could either continue the machine I was working on yesterday evening, which we still have quite a lot to do, and it is quite a hard one, but it could be interesting. Or we could try to pick up like a completely new one and work on it. So, you guys. So I was doing networked. I got user on this one, which is quite interesting because you got it's a file upload, but it's an interesting one. But the privilege escalation is definitely an odd one. Because it looks like it's going to be like a path. I don't know if it's path injection, but you basically take over the path of the user's execution and you add your own code in there. But I've done a lot of troubleshooting to find it, and I can't seem to get it. So I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna leave it a bit of time, and maybe when I'll be more relaxed I'll go back to this one. But let's go back to the list. So what do we have that we could do? Man, we almost are done with the easy ones. That's really good. I think probably next week we'll be done with the easy ones. And that will be a long list of like 40 machines that I've already done, so that's quite good. But today we could do, let's look at the list of machines I'd like to see. So we have wait, let me get that back. So we have, let's see, let's put it here. So we got OpenAdmin, which has a good score, so that's cool. Because that means it's probably like close to reality and probably not very buggy. So we got this one. I'm gonna open up to check it out a bit. We got Traver Exec. This one here. Seems to edge more in the easy ones. It's a Linux one as well. What else? We got Postman. Postman, I think, will probably be very close to what I've already done in the past. So that might be an easy one. If it's aiming like a specific type of SMTP server that I've already worked on, that might be a fast one. But could be interesting still to do. We got Frolic. Frolic, I thought I did Frolic already. Did I? Oh no, I didn't. Ooh. Very low percent of people that have done this one. Okay. You know what? Let's keep it those three and let's check it out. I wonder if I can. I mean, I have no idea how many people are in the chat, so it's hard for me to create a poll or anything. But if you guys want a specific one of the ones I've just mentioned, let me know. So let's see. We have OpenAdmin, which seems to be. Ooh. So the user is pure enumeration, and then it's CVE. Oh, no, CVE for the user, and then no answers for the admin one. Okay, it looks like the root is quite easy, but the user not as much. Fair enough. And it looks like it's CVE related. What do we have? Okay. So we got one that's both CV rated user and root. Trav exec. A lot of people have done it. 4.7 difficulty. Yeah, looks like both users and root have quite similar difficulty. And then finally we have Frolic with definitely a higher difficulty than the other ones. Yeah. And user being slightly more easy, because you can see here the root ones seem to be done in the hard one. So, how are you guys feeling? Do you guys feel of doing like a hard one, or we're getting an easy one? I guess like we're not Sunday, so we could go for like a hard one today. We could go all out, like just let's feel the pain and then learn from it, or we could go with some more chill stuff. I'm in between. I feel like I want to do the OpenAdmin one. You know what? Let's go. I'm gonna go for the OpenAdmin one. Let's go OpenAdmin one. There we go. Let's start it. Okay, so the way I usually start, I'll just create the folder that I'm gonna be working in. So it's gonna be lab. And wait, so first it into the lab, and then I make the folder that I'm going to create right now, which is going to be 171, and 171, Okay, so it looks like I already worked on this one. Really? I don't recall this. Okay. So I created that directory. So it looks like I wanted to work on this one, but actually didn't scan it or do anything. So after that's done, it's time to create a TMOX session. So we're gonna call it OpenAdmin. There we go. Obviously, we first gotta go and set up our VPN. There we go. Perfect. When that's done, we start our recon script. 171. Perfect. Cool. Let's... Okay, looks like we got a SSH and ADE, so that's pretty cool. Let's see if it finds anything else. Not straight away, at least. Okay, let's leave it running. While this is running, let's do some exploration. Okay. Oops. Ooh, okay, when you see this, it usually means two things. Either the root of the web server is somewhere else, or it needs to resolve with the actual website name. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sudo vi etc, come on, etc hosts. I think I'm just, yep, okay. I don't see 171. You guys see it? No, right? Okay, so let's just add it. And this is gonna be openadmin.htb, I guess. Cool. Let's give it a try. The only thing that's a bit annoying when you're doing this is you always have to specify the protocol. Otherwise it doesn't work, because it thinks it's a search for some reason. So it's openadmin.htb. Okay, so nothing there. So it means that's probably normal. It's just the root. We still have to find the web server. So let's see how the scan is going. Still going. Let's see. Let's go into the scan section and let's see what we have there. Was it Go Buster? It's not empty, so that's good. First of all, let's look at the patterns. Might be empty for now. Not done yet. Yeah. So let's look at the Go Buster output. So it's gonna be TCP 80. Oh. And then we're going for Go Buster. Oh, so we got an artwork and music. Cool. Let's save this into our notes. Oh, I forgot to actually create the template. Let's see if it's already there. 171. Nope, not there. Let's duplicate our template and add it. Guys, let me know if my voice sounds good, if you have any issues with the sound or anything like that. I'm trying out some stuff because the NVIDIA RTX noise cancelling seems to create a lot of issues with as soon as I'm using too much processing, it cuts out my voice completely. So I've gone back to the raw like a HyperX mic, but then you hear like a lot of background noise, like my girlfriend typing or just sounding in the street. So I've used the OBS noise cancelling, but I'm not sure how it's gonna sound. So I'll need your feedback, guys, to know. I mean, the recordings that I did sounded pretty good, but yeah, It's never the same when you're streaming. Okay. So... Whoa. What an abrupt change of music. 171. Cool. Let's kill OpenAdmin. Oh. Cool, and it's Linux, I think. Yes. Cool, let's go to enumeration. Actually, we're gonna move it to the right position. There we go. Perfect. Boom, boom. Man, we should get the enumeration. Awesome. So, it looks like in the web space. There we go. Oh. Okay, so we get the output from GoBuster. Let's save it. There we go. We start with that. Awesome. So after we're done with this, we'll export this. I'm just gonna check a bit what else we have. So, and also, as we're doing this, I'm gonna just run another ear busting, because I've realized, like, even if I can, like, GoBuster is nice to, like, get you started, right? It's just like, boom, you go fast, you get the entries, but always run Deerbuster as well. Just because it's just like safeguard. That should be good. Awesome. Okay, so we can come back to this. Let's look at the other outputs for from our scan. So, what did Nmap come with? Did it find anything interesting? Comments, table of content floating about. Nothing here. I wonder why they removed all of this. Maybe that's something I can go back and check. That looks from the default one, so very unlikely. Okay, yeah, nothing there. Manual, useless. Icons, not useful at all. Okay, I don't spot anything at least. That looks interesting. That's fine. Let's look at Nikto. Oh, Nikto didn't find anything either. Okay, it looks a bit outdated. Which is fine. Let's just add it to the exploitation section. I just add whatever software I find, I'll keep adding the versions here. And then afterwards I just run in search port against them. So be it the web server, be it any application that it's running, a CMS, anything. I'll just save it so I know that I have it somewhere, and then I come back. Okay, nothing from Nikto then? Yeah, right, I didn't miss anything now. So, did it find any robots file? No robots file. And we have, almost like what web is, it's only going to show me the Ubuntu stuff, so it's not going to be super interesting. But that's fine. That's cool with me. Let me see, did it find anything else in the meantime? No, right? Let's look at TCP just to make sure, I mean the SSH, if it's using, well, I'm just always looking at this, because you want to know if you'll be able to use your password or not, because if you're not, sometimes it edges you into knowing, like, you're looking for a public key, or you will not be able to get in unless you have a public key. So yeah. Okay. So in this case, I can just save that for SSH. Cool. We don't need anything else in here. Let's see if they're supposed to find anything else. Okay, so it found images, I guess. I'll leave it running. I found music and artwork. Okay. I guess it's time to investigate art, music, and music. Artwork, sorry. Artwork. Okay, what do we have here? Web organization, artwork, actual sites. Okay. Really cool. Very, very cool. Okay, all of this is empty, right? This is fine. Okay, and we got this. 2021. Okay. I didn't recall that this was like a new box, but maybe they've updated. Cool, let's see what web is telling us. Oh yeah, fancy box. Okay, yeah. Let's save this. Let's add it to our exploitation section. Might be worth looking at later on. Boom. Okay. Yeah, just because there's like a lot of different stuff, like the fancy box might be interesting. So about that. I guess, but this is gonna come back to this. Okay, what's the about? About us, get in touch. That's empty. By the company, video. That's just a Vimeo. That's all of. Let's lower him ipsum. Okay, that looks like an empty one. But what we're gonna do is, well, I mean, I'm wondering if. Yeah, I was gonna say, is this actually already running? Yeah, it is. Ooh. This is listable. Again, all of this is listable? Okay. I don't think we're gonna find much though. It's probably just gonna be the list of pictures that they use, yeah. That's the thing, which one could be interesting? I mean, the GS I guess could be interesting. If they're doing anything odd that we can use. Yeah, they're using a lot of GS. Okay, I guess we'll have to check some of this. I'll leave this one open then. What else is interesting in here? Look at the music as well. On CSS now. Okay. Artwork. Yeah, not much there. Okay. I'll go into all of them just to see if there's anything I can see that could be useful. But this looks just like a usual template with like, yeah, empty squares. So let's keep going. Maybe we can find something that's exploitable, but all of this looks very static in the sense that this doesn't seem like there's much we can go for in here. All of this is also, yeah. Ooh, maybe the contact us? It's a stretch. Maybe. But I'm definitely gonna save some ideas of what we're seeing here. We're doing quick exploration. I don't think the artwork, I couldn't see really anything that was really interesting. I'm wondering if it's like a... I'm also gonna... If there's a... If they've played with the words, right? Because it's artwork. But then the site is actually called artwork. I don't know. I feel like there's something there I'm missing. Maybe it is the CMS that's behind it. But I mean, this is not even a CMS. It's just like a template. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able to extract much from that. I mean, let me just search for this, but... so artwork and art. I mean, it's definitely. Is there something called artwork? Ooh. Ooh. Okay. let's keep that in mind. But then it's authenticated, but there's no authentication in here. I'm gonna keep it just in case. Even if it's very unlikely that that's what we have to go for. It's always good to have it there. So that's our artworks gallery. Okay. Okay, so at least we found something that's potentially interesting. Let's keep going. Yeah, so nothing else that we can find in here. This one goes back to this. And we've already scanned what it looks like it would be interesting. Okay, let's go into the music one. What? What did I miss? Oh, my bad. Ooh, logging, create an account, song music. Okay, we're getting there. That's definitely interesting. I mean, I'm just gonna save it like this. In my notes. Let's go back to enumeration. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that's artwork, and now we got music. Cool. Before we deep dive in this, there's one thing I want to do. I want to go back to scans and I want to check the full scan. Did it find anything else? No, didn't find anything else. Okay. So we at least know that that's the only thing we have to focus on. Okay. That's quite odd. I thought there might be something else that we missed in the scan, but I guess not. Okay. Let's look at the UDP. Maybe that's what we missed. No, they're all closed. Definitely not UDP. Okay, let's remove all of the empty stuff. Make space for what's useful. Cool. And let's continue with the music one. Also, not for production use. Okay. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Ooh, this... Oh no. Oh. Actually, let me... Actually make it bigger. To show the actual path. That looked really odd. Okay, so when clicking on login, we get redirected to /owner. Oops. That's there we go, that's better. That's what it looks like. Okay, that's definitely gonna be interesting. Wait, so how is it called? OpenAdmin. Okay. Definitely gonna add this to our exploitation. There we go. Now the box makes sense. We're getting there for sure. Is it OpenAdmin? Yeah. OpenAdmin. Cool. You're not on the latest version, your version, and we got the version as well. Awesome. Perfect. What else do we got here? Please don't the latest version, definitely not. Subnet host, we got a DNS domain here. Okay. User information, password, documentation, user discussion. Okay. Let's look at this one. All the other ones just look like they're empty. And that's the OpenAdmin DNS. Okay, cool. That's fine. Yes, change. That's what we're gonna be. What we'll need to do. Yes, default. Okay. Let's look for that. Let's look for this. This is too good to be true. OpenAdmin. Oh. Is it this? Is it IBM? Does this recognize? No, right? Maybe about? Let's look at the about. And this is super quirky. OpenNet. It's not exactly the same. I guess I looked it up wrong. Let me look for OpenNet. There we go. That's my boy. I was definitely in the wrong. Okay, that looks a bit better. I was like, that's a bit confusing. Actually, I'm gonna take this, save this, and then I'll save the other one. Okay. So open. There we go. OpenNet admin. Guess I could put it here. Oh. And I copied the wrong thing. Let me do this again. Of. Oh. Let's put this as well. We can already see that we can only exploit the two last for just the two versions here in the bottom. A bash script? Okay, that's gonna be interesting. Really curious to see. Okay. So let's look at it. I guess it's time. Let's look at the exploits. Let's see. It doesn't say anything about it authenticated, so it might be just straight away pwnage. Okay, so no explanation. Just while true do echo and dollar read command curl silent. HX minus submit HXR tooltip echo begin command echo and ping URL set. Okay, definitely looks like we have to change some of this stuff. Definitely looks like you have to change some of this. Cause it's a bit weird. So you curl the URL, like some odd stuff. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. So it looks like you just give as a parameter the URL and then just reads commands and keeps outputting it. So Let's go into exploits. Let's run it, I guess. Let's copy it here. Cool, it's not gonna let me. I need to change permissions of the folder. That's better. Oh, guess I made a mistake. Come on. I guess I should probably just do my sessions with. Because that's done. Let's copy this again. Perfect, that's been copied now. So we should be able to see it now here. Perfect, and it's already schmodded with the right permissions. Cool, so let's execute it with OpenAdmin.htb. Okay, so let's see. I wonder where it's failing. Let me see if it needs some. Nope. Command not found. Let's jump into it. What's its issue? The command is not found. But then it reads command, right? So isn't it supposed to like just loop and then? Yeah, it should echo this and then read and then take this command, but it doesn't do this. It fails before that. So I'm wondering where the error is. All of this looks fine. Running bean bash. Curl is fine. Yeah, all of this looks okay. Let's see again what the error is. Command not found. Done. Okay, looks like there's a quote issue, I think. I see. Maybe. Otherwise, I'll look up something else. Oh, man, sometimes I forget about this. Oh my god, it's super annoying. Okay. So now I just need to. Hopefully that works. Let's see. Okay, so at least the done one is fixed. Unexpected end of file. And then the line 8, the $/R. I don't see it. Wait, is it because no, it should be fine. Oh, maybe no, because still it's failing on something else. Because even if I give it, because I think I know what it means, but wait. It doesn't even know that it's looking for Ona, even if it shows here. You know what? It's time for what? YouTube? Come on, don't leave me hanging. It's time for GitHub, OpenAdmin, OpenNet. Admin exploit time. You can find wonders online. Okay, let's quit this. Okay, on RC, let's check it out. That's the right version as well. Okay, before I actually go in, let's take a screenshot of this. Boom. Damn, what's going on? Okay, let's reduce the quality, I guess, of the music. The bitrate looks fine, so hopefully on your end, guys, you should be fine. Okay, so we got that saved. Let's now read the code. Oh, no, this one. I'll actually read the code and see if it's not messing with our computer, basically. OpenAdmin, remote code execution, check, exploit, URL, pip install user request, that should be fine, git clone. Cool. Usage, option, and URL. And the options are either check or exploit. Check and then the full URL. Cool. Okay. Oh, damn. And it gives you directly RC. That's cool. Let's read through the code. Okay, this is the helper. This is a check. For the target, the exploit. That looks very similar to what we saw before. So that looks fine until now. Print, yes, yes. Okay, looks at the arguments. Does the check. And then if the exchange exploit. I wonder if... Okay, so this is where it outputs something that we can then run. Like a fake bash, basically. Cool. Yeah, this looks legit. Let's save this. Cool. Awesome. Let's give it some execution permissions. And let's run it with Python 3. And so it says check, and then the URL, which would be HTTP. OpenAdmin.htb/owner. And it's runnable, has exploited. There we go. Nice, let's go. Okay, we're in. Boom, that was fast. Let's go, boys. We're in. That was, how long did that take us? Still. It took about like 35 minutes to get in. I guess like, I'm still a bit slow with the enumeration, but not too shabby, not too shabby. Cool, but that was an easy one. Can't really complain. Straightforward, finding an exploit, and then yeah, like they said, CV and then exploitation. Boom. Okay. Worked straight away. I'm gonna add the command here and then the output. Cool. And I'm gonna add this one as well. Awesome. And so we're data. Cool. Let's think. What is the first things we want to do? Is there some information on the site that I wanted to get? Maybe. Workspace plugins, login, logall, HP include, images, DCM, config. Yeah, maybe the config. Let's see if I can get this config. Oh. Okay. I have like a really poor... Okay, so what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna see if I can improve my my reverse shell, because this one sucks. I mean, it's not too bad, but it's not great for sure. Let's see, do we have netcut? Yes. We have it without E though. That's fine. Let's go get the reverse shell that works without the E. Oh.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
Okay. That's all my notes, and we got the netcat without the E. There we go. Let's go back to the exploitation section. So the only thing I need to set up here is a listener. So it's gonna be L verbose port. Let's go for 444. There we go. And now I just need to run this. And oh, fuck, I need to change it beforehand. Oh, this is gonna work. Yeah, let's just rerun this. Cool. Yeah, I need to modify it before I paste it. Okay. Okay, so it's 444 and RIP 10.10.14 and 46. Cool, let's take all of this. What? That's a bit weird. Okay, this works. And we got a response. Okay, this one is a lot more neat. Let's save our reverse shell. Let's upgrade our shell. There we go. And we can show the listener here. Boom. Awesome. Oh. Cool. Yay. Awesome. Okay, so now that we have this, we need to upgrade it again. So we have like a full functional shell. Hopefully Python is running on the machine. Ooh, let's try Python 3. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we know the tricks. Oops. Yeah, whenever Python is not there, Python 3 is probably there. Awesome. Now we can go through like the whole server a lot more easy. Okay, let me just check it, how big this is. Oh, it's a folder? The config? Oh, the access images. Let's think, what could be... probably the... okay, let's look into config, let's look what's in there. Authentication config? Okay. Oh wait, that's rolled up. Okay, but it's not using anything. Everything's commented out. Oh wait. Am I wrong, or there's like a PHP code that starts and never ends? How does this work? That's an odd file. Okay. Probably not this, I guess. The reason why I'm not going to the home directory yet is because I just want to do some quick enumeration to see if there's anything interesting in here. Cat config include. This is the set configuration file. That's fine. Any databases in there? Any credentials? It doesn't look like. We could check the logs later on, maybe. Maybe we got some interesting stuff in there. I'm just gonna save this in case. I'm feeling good about this one. I feel like we're gonna get there quite fast. So after upgrading our shell to a fully interactive one, let's look for quick victories. Awesome. Nothing in here. I'm trying to see, because I can see here the DB Connect, but I don't see credentials in here. I wonder if there's a specific file, maybe. Am I missing the credential somewhere? Oh, they can be overwritten by setting in the table sysconfig. I'm just gonna save this. Maybe that's what we're gonna look at for stuff later on. Because I can't seem to find anything else. I'm just taking note of what could be interesting. Cool. Empty. Okay, nothing of value in here, it looks like. Cool. Awesome. At least we've checked it. Let's go back. Let's see, is there anything else of value that I could see here? The example now. Maybe this. No. No, that's fine. No, that's fine. I don't see anything. What else? Looking like out now? Local, maybe? Nmap scans? Oh, mid database. I like that. I like the look of this. Oh. Yeah, database. Okay. You know I like this. There we go. That's what we want to see. Boom. We found the DB credentials. Not sure that you're going to be useful, but it's always cool to like save all of this stuff. Awesome. Let's see, is there anything else we can find maybe? No, it's example, run installer, definitely not that. Maybe the scans? I don't. I mean, it's more curiosity. What's in there? Subnets. Ah, okay, that we don't care. No, because we know already didn't find anything. So wait, so what's the user? DB login, own assist, Ninja Warrior. Hopefully it's not a default one. Cool. Let's look at the users for this machine. Okay, so we got Jimmy, Joanna. That's it. Okay, that's fine. Both have actual shells. That's cool. Oops. Actual. Okay, let's look at their homes and then we're gonna run lean piece after that. What? They don't have to do CD? Oh. Okay, let's check Jimmy. What? Oh, I can't go into his. I guess it's Joanna then. Ooh, I can't even get into their homes. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's go into TMP. Let's start dropping hard stuff on these guys. Okay. So lean piece. That is H. Oh man, this music is feeling good. Awesome. Let's open up a file server for the Linux files I'm gonna need. Simple. Oh. There we go. I think I missed it again, man. Oh, never mind. Cool. Okay, let's get lean piece. There we go. Let's give it the execution permissions. Let's execute it. Let's see if it finds. Actually, fuck, I won't be able to. Yes, I can. And actually, let's go with T lean piece. That is H. .txt. That's a new one I don't know why I've never used this one. It's basically T allows you to output the file on the screen, but also save it to another file. That way you can actually go back to it if you want, and at the same time you can see what's being saved. So always use T when you're running some kind of like enumeration script. It will save you so much time. Okay, let's go through what we have at the beginning already. Ooh. Okay, it's overrating on me. Yeah, but okay. I mean, it makes sense that I have the capabilities on the ones that I already run. Okay, so there is that MySQL server that we could definitely check. Okay. It looks like there is root running a patch as well. Otherwise I don't see an obvious one. I don't see an obvious service here. The MySQL one... Okay... That's fine. Let's keep going. Oh, that's not gonna be vulnerable. Okay, let's keep going down. Maybe the PHP one? But it doesn't show anything that we have access to, so very unlikely. Any known software here that's could be interesting? I mean, there's MySQL. Nope. I don't see one that... Oh, I think it just finished, or almost. Let's go back up. Okay, that's where we were. Let's keep going. Nothing that ran recently, so very unlikely that there's a timer that we want to use. Where's these sockets? Owned by roots. Owned by roots. Okay. Might be worth checking later. Okay, OpenAdmin. MySQL is running here. I wonder if that's me. DNS as well. That's fine. Doesn't look like we've made a specific service. So, I mean, like, it could be this one. I thought it was the one we used, but that's actually the port that we used. So, there is MySQL in this thing here. I'm actually gonna save this. Just pointing out some of the interesting stuff. full. Let's keep going. Yeah, we got 3 users. They don't have much interesting groups other than part of internal. Okay. Jimmy seems to be the one that's logged in last time. Budgie server information. No. No. Let's keep going down. Ooh, that list is long. I mean, there's Snap, I know, but still. New ID map. Okay. I mean, this already looks interesting. Get the fuck pins. There we go. I'm just curious because like I haven't seen this one, so let's see if we can find them here. New? No. And the other one, it's also new. Okay, it doesn't seem like they're known here. Let's keep going. Ooh. There's another site? Ooh. Okay. It looks like there's a third user or some like it has like a Marga. Okay. I'm actually gonna clip this so I know it needs to be explored. You'll see objects and everything afterwards. The reason why I haven't jumped to like privilege escalation yet is because we haven't got the user's flag yet, so we're still in the exploitation phase. I don't know. Possible. Interesting. Gates, I guess. And this way. Okay. I mean, one thing that we could do already is, let's see, okay, I've just thought of it now. Let's do a new thing, and let's see if we can SSH to one of the users, either Joanna or Jimmy, with the password that we find. So, Jimmy at OpenAdmin.htb. Yes. Okay, and the password would be, let's actually write it down, so it's N134 W caps 0 and R exclamation. That's it, right? Okay, let's see if that works. No luck? That's fine. Let's try Joanna. Joanna. No luck. Let's make sure that we... Ooh, wait, we forgot this. We actually forgot the exclamation. Let's try again. Just making sure, yeah. Okay. There we go. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god, imagine if I actually missed it because I didn't see that I actually missed the exclamation. Whew. That would have been, man, I would have run around like in circles so long. Okay, let's try to SSH. Boom, there we go. GG. Well, I mean, like, it's not really GG yet, but at least we got user for sure. Let's see. Is it the actual user or not? Oh my god, it's not the actual user? Can you actually go into the other one? So can you go into join us? Oh, you can't. So... Oh my god, so it's actually not even the right one. Oh damn. Okay. So we're still in here, I guess. I'm gonna move all of this above so I can have the most interesting one. Actually, no, it's fine. I'll leave it afterwards. Yeah, I'll leave it here in the bottom and just continue here. Okay, we already have bean piece. Let's run it again as ourselves. So let's go into TMP. Did bean piece disappear? What? I guess maybe from the other one? Okay. It's a bit weird. I thought it would still be there. Oh wait. I mean, let's do it, but there's one thing that I have to do before all this is quick wins. Always get the quick wins. So we have the password for that user, so we gotta run sudo dash l. What are your permissions, boy? So we can actually say that's Jimmy. Boom. Ooh, okay. So we can't run any sudo commands. Okay, that's fine. I guess we can still continue with our plan. So let's chmod plus x lin piece, and let's execute it. And I did this mistake where I still wanna. Oh. Ah, yeah, it's the other side. There we go. And I didn't say which file. Linkeys.txt. That looks fine to me. Cool. Let's see if it finds anything obvious. I mean, technically we're looking to get Joanna. So we're gonna be looking at what can we get that would give us Joanna. So we still have the database that we can look at. But it would be weird that we have to use this credential twice to get in there. Also in the SUID I don't see anything related to Joanna. So that's unlikely. Let's remember that we're part of the group internal, so maybe there's something there that could be interesting. What was that? I think I saw something interesting. Internal. Okay. Definitely something I want to check. Nothing here that's interesting. Again, some of this stuff is interesting, but it would be interesting if I'm not Jimmy. But in this case I'm already Jimmy, so I'm still gonna check it. I'm just not as relevant, I would say. Okay, let's go back. I'm gonna just do a quick scan visually if it found anything. Okay, it's Joanna running anything? Joanna's not running anything? Okay. That's really, really curious. So yeah, there is that internal here. That's gonna be. I think that might be the trick. There must be something with that. Because also, I don't see a user internal. So it is really just a group. I wonder what they can do. I'm definitely gonna I'm just gonna look at this and showcase this. Because I don't have much more for Joanna. How can we get to Joanna? Okay. I mean, again, like, all of this is nice, but it's very unlikely I'm gonna do a direct jump to root, right? It's like, it's not that I'm gonna not look at it, it's just like, I'm gonna focus first on Joanna. Again, all of this is interesting, but no. Change operations, capabilities. No. No, that looks fine. Again, that's the Jimmy stuff. I'm gonna still copy it in case. You know what? I'm gonna check all of the logs. Maybe we find something interesting there. Because maybe we get like some Joanna logs. I guess we haven't checked. That just needs to finish now. We have a ton of stuff, but we still have to investigate. The Marja stuff is also interesting. We don't see anything in here. That's in Sierra, API key. Definitely could be interesting. I mean, like, it does look like in Sierra or Marja, we might have some interesting stuff. Definitely a lot of web servers to look at. Not web servers, but like web services or web apps, to be more precise. Okay, all of this now. Nope. That's what I want to see. So that might get us. Internal group. There we go. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so let's go into this. So var www. So let's go into internal. I really want to go into check the other ones, but I think this is where Maybe some relevant stuff is gonna be. Okay, let's look at everything. Let's try at PHP. Let's just look at everything. Oh. Who would do this? This is horrible. Okay, but at least that's one of the passwords, I guess. That we could. Maybe we can run stuff as the group. Maybe. Start session. Yeah. Style sheet, whatever. Enter username and password. I guess I could expose this. But that's all of them. And so what's the cats? So we get index. That's the long one. Wait, what are the other ones then? At main. Ooh. 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 Like, I feel like sometimes, like, you feel a bit like Spider-Man, like, you know, like that tingling sensation that you see in the movies, but like here, like it like there was like that insane, like instant, like holy shit, I can like execute something here that's from Joanna, and it looks like it's a public key. It's like, or like read it, like, what is this? Why is this something? So I'll definitely read a bit more of this, and I'll look how this is called, because I guess output shall execute. Wait, so should I just expose this? Can I curl this? Curl. Main.php. Does it just do anything? No, it just output. Oh wait, echo output. Don't forget your ninja password. Maybe turning around the. Okay, let's look at the config. Where is it again? ATC Apache. I mean, this is super straightforward though. Wait, why is it not pasted? Oh, there we go. We find an interesting way to read the user's private key. Let's. I mean, wait. I don't even need to. Can I just run PHP on this? Let's see. I don't need to do. Oh, it has to run SDA. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So we can't run it ourselves. We need the permissions of the server running this. Cool, that's cool. Worth a try. You never know. I wonder if I can. Okay, let's look at the ATC. So I got etc Apache. What is it? Config directly or? I think it's sites enabled. Then internal. There we go. Okay, so that's where it's running. That's why I couldn't curl it before. So it's not internal. Let's probably just 52846. There we go. Boom. There we go. That's how we do it. That was fast. Man, I'm flowing, you boys. I'm flowing. They can't stop me. Oh, music has stopped. Yeah. So let's look at the Apache config for the internal kernel app. And there we go. Okay, so we got the user's private key. Oh, it's encrypted. Awesome. I just need to brute force it now. Let's stop this. I won't need it anymore. Okay. Actually, let's exit this. Create a new one. It's going to be faster. It's going to loot VI ID RSA input. Let's copy this. Perfect. Okay. I'm trying to remember if there was something I need to do. Actually, I think I have it in my notes. Decrypt private key. Let's see if we have that. No? There we go. Okay, let's follow this. Let's copy all of this. Cool, let's go back. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. I'm gonna take a small 1-minute break so I can go to the bathroom and get some food, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys?
Ouais, maintenant ça va mieux, je crois.
Okay, we are back. Let's go. Hope you guys didn't leave already. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it's just feeling so good. So let's put the documentation that we just got, and let's continue. Cool. Boom, boom, boom. I'm just gonna change this to 161. Oh wait, no. 171. Cool. So it's gonna be sudo John IDRSA to, so we convert it basically into a hash. It'll look like. Awesome. Let's see if that works. What? Wait, SSH. Who? Sudo SSH. Let me see. Let me check something. Then. What's in here? Oh, let's copy this. Why is this not already my library? Let's copy in here. Cool. Let's run this. Awesome. Let's make sure it's here. Yeah, cool. It's there. And then we can just use Johnny. Perfect. Let's go. Oh. No, I thought you already found the candidate. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm gonna mute myself because I think. Oh, there we go. There we go. So we got this. Cool. Okay, that's fine. Actually, let's show everything that we did. Let's show all of this and show the. Boom, get the password. And let's showcase this. Where's the control? There we go. Boom. I can remove this one. Actually, I can remove that's one. Let's remove this one. Put this and let's add what we ran. Boom. Let's make it clean. Let's copy it. Oh man, this is some good bump. Cool. So we got the key as well. So should be able to SSH dash. Let me make sure. Okay, the permissions are correct already, right? I think 600 for the idea. So. Let me change this to 600. Oh, I'm into it. Cool. That's fine. And let's see, SSH dash I. Enter say as Joanna. OpenAdmin. HackTheBox. And the passphrase is Blood Ninjas. Let's go. Now we can finally say we got user. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna explain it. Why? Okay. I'm just gonna make sure, because like private keys need to have like a specific permission, set of permissions, otherwise it doesn't run. Okay, let's put like a don't forget. The permissions. Boom. Let's SSH as Joanna. And there we go. Okay, I'm pretty sure that now we should see the user flag. Yes, we got the user flag. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We get in. Okay. Boom. For the articles, let's throw this out. Awesome. Yeah, let's put it here. I'm actually thinking that probably in the future I'm not going to show the flags. I'll do my best not to show them. User. Because it's probably better for you guys as well. For anybody that's looking at this, so nobody can cheat the flag, I guess. Okay, so OpenAdmin. Let's submit the flag. That was a nice one. It was a lot. I would say there was a lot for just getting the user, because you needed to find the service. So the owner was not too hard. Then you need to exploit it. You need to get the other user, and the other user you need to. And there you just got the WWE data. From the WWE data, then you need to find the. Yeah, you need to find the credentials from the MySQL server. From there, you would jump into Jimmy, and you had to find the other internal app, and in there you had to understand how to run the main PHP and find where it was running and everything like that. So I would put it probably a 6. I think it was a good 6. Yeah, I would put it as a 6. It's a really good user flag. Like you gotta work quite a lot for it. Okay. Let's go back. Now we're gonna finally be able to go into the previous escalation. There we go. Okay. So let's clear this out. Let's look at a bit. Do we actually have the? We don't have the user password. We can't run anything that's pseudo related, can we? I don't think so. Okay. Yeah, we can't. Okay, so let's just look what we have in the directory. We don't have this. It's fine. Doesn't look like there's much in here. Let's look at local. .local. Probably nothing in nano, right? Yeah, it's gonna be nano. Yeah, no. Okay, let's go back to TMP. Let's run link piece as that user. Let's see what we can do. And let's feed it to link piece.txt. That was good. Good. There we go. Oh, wait, that failed. I'm gonna remove it. I'm just link piece 2, I guess. There we go. Ah, okay, we're getting there. There was tons of SUID, so I'm wondering if that's one of the paths that we might need to go for. But let's wait and see. Whoa, 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 there was something there above what we saw last time. Whoa, what? Oh, you don't always need to do it? There we go. What? It's GG, I guess. I mean, I'll have to do what I can do with this, but bin OPT priv. I guess I will have to check what that does. So limpies. But there was something else I found actually that I wanted to check, but oh, there was this thing here. Okay, never mind. Okay, I think we're almost there. I mean, I don't even know if I need to wait for the end of this to run. Because to be fair, yeah, so we have that already. Cool. Let me stop this. Let me just go into OPT and try to understand what's in there. What is that priv? What? It's empty? Oh, wait, but it's because I can run nano. Okay. Oh, I see. We don't care about the priv actually, we just care about the nano. Let's go back to get bugs. Yeah, let's look at nano. Nano? Yeah, there we go. Let's look at all of them. What do we have? Shell can we use to break out of our secret file right for read. Sudo rx reset sh. If the BIOS is allowed to run as super user, it does not drop the elevator privileges and may be used to access the file system. Escalate maintain privileges access. Okay, so let's try this here. I'm wondering what it's gonna do. So sudo sudo, and we're gonna just run what we saw above, right? There we go. Okay. So now what's our read file? Okay. And then X, command to execute, and then reset. SH, and then let's just copy this so we don't mess it up. I don't know, can I just do ls? New cat. Oh my god. Nice, let's go, we got it. We got it, boys. Oh my god, that was a funny one. I was like, why am I trying to do all of this complicated stuff where I can just like run whatever I want? That's pretty cool. That was a fun one. There we go. Boom. Owned. Okay. Oh. I would definitely say that this one was like a 2 or 3. I mean, yeah, that was super easy. Cool. Nice. That was fast. 1 hour and a half. Another box added. Let's add it in the box. OpenAdmin. Boom. Done. Let's go. Let's just show what we're doing here. Okay. Actually, let's remove this. Okay. Game. So, I mean, let's so let's copy this. Let's show what we did. And then we just follow the instructions from get the fuck biz, and we're able to execute any command as root. And so, but let's see, so let's, if we're OCP style, what should we do? It's Control R, Control X, and then what I really want to do is the following. I want to copy. I don't know if it's going to be able to do everything. Copy bin bash into temp. Okay, so that got executed. Then I want to mod plus s tmp bash, and that's it. Because now I can control X and I can just go into TMP. We should see bash here. There we go. And I can just run bash with the I think it's P, with the privileges of the person that has it. And there we go. Boom. And that's the way to do it cleanly. Awesome. Boom. That's a really slick way to actually do it. Let's actually get root. Get root. Instead of reading the flag. In the flag, let's execute the following. By the way, this one I've stolen from the Cyber Mentor. It's just like an easy one, and it's just so efficient. Like, it's so fast. I've seen other ones, but this one is really simple to like remember as well, right? It's really just copy bin bash into TMP. And I think you can even write it in one sentence actually. Just mod plus s tmp bash, and that's it. Cool. Awesome. I'm gonna say just tmp bash with a p dash p. I'm just gonna add the comments, so allows to run the script with the owner's privilege. There we go. Boom, saved in the box, and we can mark it as a win. Whew. Okay. If you guys are still in the chat, let me know. We can maybe do a small break and play like a game or something. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna be good for today. I think I want to start like a second one. I'll probably work a bit more on my blogs. There's a couple of blogs I want to write. Yeah. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope you liked it. That was a cool box. I mean, we went from start to end in an hour and 35 minutes, which is pretty cool. And we did find a lot of things, a lot of different things to go through. You guys saw the way I like try to get the quick wins, how then I just looked for lean piece, and how I kept like evolving. We also encountered like a encrypted public like private keys and how to decrypt them with SSH to John. But yeah, cool stuff, cool box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about hacking, what I did now, how to start, just drop me a message now on the chat, or send me a tweet on Twitter as well. You can DM me on Discord as well. And if you have no idea on how to do this, you can check my blogs. They're pretty cool. And for the VOD, I've started now uploading all of this onto YouTube, so you'll be able to, if you missed the stream, to just jump into YouTube and put it in the background, or go to whichever step you wanna look at. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. That was a really cool stream, and we'll talk soon. Take care, guys.